Hi, Paul with Diode Dynamics, talking about our newest product, the Elite Series LED fog light. Now you've probably heard of our Stage Series off-road LED pods, and those are available with a road-legal SAE fog pattern. With their high power level and extremely focused light with a very wide pattern, those have set a new standard for what's possible with road-legal fog lights. We realized that no one had done the same thing when it came to an OEM-style fog light. All the options on the aftermarket are just remakes of factory LED fog lights that have a relatively low power level and output. So we took everything we learned with the Stage Series lineup, including high power emitters, copper circuit boards, and advanced optical design, and applied that to an OEM-style fog light to provide truly high power and high performance. The result is the Elite Series fog. So what sets these fog lights apart? These were developed from the ground up to be the first true performance LED fog light, and that means much more power and more output to the road. To do that, we had to start with more power from the LED. So inside these fog lights, we're using a 3-chip multi-die automotive grade LED emitter, either in white or a pure golden yellow, depending on the output color we're trying to achieve. The LED produces a huge amount of raw lumens, which is then focused and directed to the road using the custom engineered optic. This patent-pending optic is a large single piece of PMMA, which has multiple complex optical surfaces. It's developed by our team here using advanced optical modeling. The result is a perfect beam pattern for fog light use. That means an extremely wide output. It also has a very homogeneous or smooth pattern throughout and just a really nice appearance. And finally, the cutoff line is extremely sharp, and it features a small color band of light reminiscent of BMWs or other premium vehicles, mostly for cosmetics, but it all has to do with getting the most light out and focused to the road. These are available in 2 output colors, either cool white or selective yellow, which is around 3000K. The white will pair really nicely with any factory LED headlights or daytime running lights you might have. The yellow is going to provide a really distinctive look and actually has a yellow lens as well as that yellow LED emitter to produce a perfect golden yellow color. Some people think that this can also help cut through inclement weather. Now all that comes together in a really nice package, and by that I mean the housing and overall assembly. No expense was spared when it comes to the components. If you take a look at the housing, you'll see what I mean. Really precision casting, solid aluminum, with just features throughout that show that high level of quality you'd expect from an OEM-grade product. We have the integrated Deutsch-style connector, as well as integrated aiming screws here. So these can be adjusted once they're installed on the vehicle and aimed just perfectly. The brackets that come with these fog lights are a really sturdy composite material, again, just like you see on a lot of factory automotive parts these days. They've been tested for fitment in a number of vehicles, so you can be sure they'll fit up just like your original fog lights. Finally, the outer lens is a durable polycarbonate material that also has a UV coating to prevent wear and damage over time. You'll also see the marking there, the SAE F3, for that on-road compliance level. Now, not all fogs even have that compliance rating. The F3 is the more stringent requirement that requires a very sharp cutoff line and even distribution of light. Now, in terms of quality, there's a couple more features as well, including the breather patch on these. That'll help regulate pressure inside the lamp so that the seal remains intact over time. Also, the circuit itself has built-in protection features to resist the heavy loads of voltage spikes on your vehicle that'll kill other products without that protection. These are really designed to last just like an OEM product, and as a result, they're backed by an 8-year limited warranty. One thing that really sets these lights apart is that they're not imported. They're assembled by our team here in St. Louis, Missouri. Starting with bare, solid copper circuit boards and all the way through the robotic sealing process, these are proudly assembled in the United States. Now, assembling the lights in the US means that you can expect high quality, and we ensure that's the case with the extensive testing that's performed on these lamps in our in-house test lab. In addition to the photometric testing to confirm correct light output, we also perform a whole slew of other tests on these, including vibration, corrosion, and hot and cold temperature swings. These tests mean that you can expect an OE level of performance and reliability out of these lights, which again, we're proud to back with an industry-leading 8-year limited warranty. Now there's one more feature to mention here, which you aren't going to find anywhere else when it comes to OEM-style fog lights, and that's the accent light or backlight feature. This is just a low-power amber LED that can be illuminated with any factory signal using the included tap. You do need to check your local laws and regulations for on-road use, but as you can see, it provides a really nice added styling to your vehicle anytime you're not using the main fog light pattern. When you do switch on the main fog light, it automatically switches off and then comes back on if you switch your fog lights off. It's just a nice added feature we decided to include for that extra styling. The Elite Series LED fog lights are available at diodedynamics.com and our full network of authorized dealers. At release, we'll have fitments available for Subaru, Toyota, Jeep, Ford, and Lexus models, but there's many more to come. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated with the newest releases as they come out in the months ahead. Thanks for watching.